Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, oil pressure gauge, tachometer, adjustable pedals, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.